Pertama-tama mohon maaf karena pertandingan malam ini, sore ini kami kalah kembali. Untuk selanjutnya kami akan berlatih dengan keras. Semoga di pertandingan berikutnya kita bisa meraih kemenangan. Dan buat teman-teman yang datang pertandingan sore ini, kami mengucapkan banyak terima kasih atas supportnya selama ini.
Selamat malam. First, I want to say congratulations to Madura. Have more accuracy than us. We have more chances. We have more corners. I think 11 against Coson. They scored on the first opportunity that they have. I think on the first half just have this opportunity and one more goal attempt. We have at least 4. On second half, we put ball on the bar. We have many chances inside of the box, many attempts to shoot. They have 2, one the goal and the other the shoot to the bar. This is the football. We will not score, lose, and was what happened. I want to say thank you for the players. Because they work hard, attitude good, but unfortunately not accuracy. And I want to say Terima, kasih to the supporters that come to the stadium today. They are fantastic, and it's on difficult moments that we see the true love for the club. It's very easy on the difficult moments and when the team is losing, say bad things about everything. The game already finished. We cannot change nothing. We just can try to see the things that we need to improve, and this is what's going to happen. Unfortunately for this match, many players are injured or we cannot use them, but the players that play today try to do the best, and the last matches was the same history. Many players that we count with them cannot play with different reasons, and we need to work to move on. And I think it's not easy for me, 5 times losing. It's the first time that I lose 4 times, and now the 5th time. But I don't give up. If the players don't give up, I don't give up. And of course, we want to have good results. Last season, I think we superate all the expectations of the supporters, and we create a miracle together. And one of the reasons for the things happen in a good way was that always that we play at home, the stadium was full. Today I like the environment. The supporters that come make fantastic environment. And we saw players from academy that don't have too much minutes play and have Bago's attitude, and also the other players. And I am happy for this, for the supporters come. And we see that we are developed players from academy, but the result is that we lose. About the referee, I don't want to speak about the referee. I just remember one thing that can change the game. The number 19 must be sent off when make this big tackle on our fan. But and the history of the game can be different.
Ya, assalamualaikum, selamat malam. Kami dari pemain, pertama-tama mohon maaf karena pertandingan malam ini, sore ini kami kalah kembali. Untuk selanjutnya kami akan berlatih dengan keras. Semoga di pertandingan berikutnya kita bisa meraih kemenangan. Dan buat teman-teman yang datang pertandingan sore ini, kami mengucapkan banyak terima kasih atas supportnya selama ini. Kemudian saya berharap teman-teman yang belum bisa bergabung, teman-teman pemain yang cedera maupun yang lainnya bisa bergabung dengan tim karena kita membutuhkan semuanya. Terima kasih. Secara pribadi mungkin saya dengan Willy sudah lama bermain, jadi mungkin saya merindukan sosok Pluim di tim. Tapi untuk teman-teman di tim, kita sudah disampaikan sama pelatih, semua pemain bisa mendapatkan kesempatan untuk bertanding. Jadi saya pikir pelatih lebih tahu untuk komposisi tim saat ini. Terima kasih.